Welcome to Homeschool Expert. I'm so glad you've joined me today to talk about how to survive and thrive in educating your child at home. Sometimes life unexpectedly presses families to homeschool their children because of a job change, an illness, a move, or even COVID. Whatever the reason, Homeschool Expert is here to help you. Believe it or not, I have been in a similar season where the goal was to just get through the next 6 to 12 months as effectively as possible. Many of the tools I'll give you today were developed the hard way by adapting what I knew about homeschooling with excellence to meet our family's needs during a challenging season. I learned how to pare things down to the bare minimum so I could do those well. So today we will talk about super practical ways to think outside the box with scheduling, especially around how to make homeschooling work if both parents are employed full-time or if you are a single-parent household, where to find free and easy resources, how homeschooling can be adapted to urban versus suburban households during social isolation, and how to think about state standards and curriculum. I know it sounds like a lot, but you aren't alone. I am confident you can do this, and we are here to help. Let's get started.